out a little bit. Just kind of feeling one of those days that you just feel, my body hurts. I've had a headache for 3 days. So I thought I'd try to get out. And these cars are just driving on my ass so bad it's annoying. But can't expect anything else from around here. I'm in a 40, almost going 50. Anyway, so I thought I'd get out of the house, try to feel a little bit better. But I'm just so achy, and this headache won't go away for nothing. So, what solves this? A donut run. What else? Try to get a donut and feel better. Not that that's going to make it all go away, but it might make me feel better for 10 minutes. So, I thought I'd take a ride. Sometimes I just feel, my mind just goes blah, 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 blah. And it's hard to slow it down. I have so much on my mind. Coffee. I love my coffee. So, yeah, it's hard for me to settle my mind down. Ever since I started this YouTube channel and Facebook page, it's just constantly thinking. Sometimes I'm up till 3 in the morning. It drives me crazy. It's hard to shut it off. You know, you're constantly thinking about your next video, your next shot, your next, what you're going to talk about and how you're going to edit and why you only got, and sometimes I'm up till 3 in the morning. It drives me crazy. It's hard to shut it off. You know, you're constantly thinking about your next video, your next shot, your next, what you're going to talk about and how you're going to edit and why you only got 2 views, you know, on a whole video. And it's hard. This is one of the hardest things I've done that I stuck with, but I do enjoy it a lot. I do just, you know, love hanging out with you guys and talking to everyone, and it's just really hard. But it's hard also when the views don't go up and you don't get any more followers or subscribers or comments. I really never get any. So my mother-in-law, she said give it a year, and they've been so supportive. My in-laws, Tim, everybody has. So I'm gonna, you know, there's times I want to give up, but I'm gonna keep doing it for now and see what happens. I don't know. It can bring you down a little bit when you want something so bad and it's just not working and you can't figure out what else to do. How to change it, make it better, you know. Bring on different content. I don't know. I do want to start like going to restaurants and showing you guys different food in the area, and my store runs, they're just so far and few between that I don't know. I mean, how many store runs can you show? I mean, a trip to Walmart's a trip to Walmart. You know, everybody kind of does it, so I don't know. Get some donuts and stop at the in-laws and say hi, even though I saw them last night. But I like to visit with them, get out of the house, so it takes my mind off things. So what is your guys's, and please comment, really comment. I don't get any comments. I'd love for y'all to comment. Let me know what your comfort food is when you're feeling kind of blah or not feeling good or just overwhelmed, or I'd love to know what your comfort food is. Mine is always donuts, no matter what kind of mood I'm in. I don't care if I'm happy, overwhelmed, sad. It's always donuts. It's supposed to be nice out today in the 70s. I've been cold all morning though. I got pants and a sweatshirt on. I've just been freezing all day. Hey y'all. I got the donuts. I'm so excited. I'm going to take these over to the in-laws. I hope they're home. You would think I'd learn my lesson and call first. But I'm coming up here anyways to get donuts, so they're not home. This time I'm going to drop them off. Last time I left without dropping them off when they weren't home. But I'm going to remember this time. Okay, everybody. I just got done at the in-laws. Took them their donuts, sat there and visited. Watched TV with my mother-in-law. It's nice to get out and come visit with them. It got warm though, that's for sure. So now I can go home and put shorts on. You know, I think I would like to take the day. I feel like I always am worrying and thinking and trying to figure things out, or, you know, if it's not one thing you're thinking about or worrying about, it's another. I don't call myself a chronic worrier, probably a chronic stressor for sure. But I'm just going to try to take the day and not stress or worry. There's so many things in life that just, I don't know, you just stress about, I guess. You know, whether it's your job, money, you gotta pay your bills, or you gotta do this, go here, do that. Or in my case, which some of them do pertain to me, but also, you know, with my channel and my Facebook page. And I have to say, I wasn't prepared for, I don't want to say it's overwhelming, but I definitely wasn't prepared for the stress and the pressure. And I know it takes time to establish yourself with algorithm or all that stuff. And I'm not a patient person to begin with. So I think it just takes time, I know. But it's hard. Especially when you want something so much and you're so dedicated. And I don't know, maybe I need to post more. I mean, I don't know what else to do. Anyway, I think I'm just going to try to take the day, as we all should when we can. Sit there, relax. I don't know if I'm even capable of relaxing, to be honest with you. I don't know if I can. And if I am sitting there, my mind... But I'm really going to try today, take some time and just not worry, not stress, not think about everything. I swear I think about things, and then as I'm doing things, my mind is thinking so much that I forget what the hell I'm doing. So maybe I'll go home and I'm not even going to watch any cooking shows or nothing. Maybe I'll just, I don't know what I'll do. Maybe go for a walk. It's nice out. I'm just going to try to take the day and breathe. Not worry about everything. I think we all need to take a day for that, like that sometimes. Whether you work or you don't work, whether you're a mom or not a mom, a nana or not a nana, a dad or not a dad, or whatever, whoever you are, everybody, we all need to take a day. You know, keep your jammies on, or put a nice comfy pair of sweats or shorts on. Keep your bra off and just hang out. I just don't know how to sit there and not think and worry. Maybe I am a chronic worrier. Maybe I am. I don't know. what it is right now.